How to use Dunkin gift card on Uber Eats. Now normally if you wanted to use a certain gift card, you will open the Uber Eats app, come to the account tab, go to the wallet tab, go to add payment method and go to gift card and enter the gift card. But as of December 2023, Uber Eats doesn't accept restaurant gift cards, including Dunkin gift cards, right? And the only way to use a restaurant gift card for takeout is through curbside pickup, which may not be available at all restaurants. Dunkin gift cards can be purchased and sent electronically through the Dunkin app or dunkindonuts.com. DD Perks members can send e-gifts via the app as text or emails, and Dunkin gift cards don't expire, have no management fees, and can't be redeemed for cash or credit unless required by law. To protect against stay-for loss, Dunkin recommends registering the card online, and unfortunately you won't be able to use a third-party restaurant gift cards on the Uber Eats application. So I hope this video helped you understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.